currently 10:35. This tiny ass thing is 63 rand. Like, hi.
What the heck?
Oh, here it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is currently 10:35 on the 20th of October and it is a Sunday. I'm starting a new vlog today. I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. This is my outfit of the day. So today we're going to a mall. We're done getting ready. I'm hoping that I can get a few things. I'm gonna stock up on snacks because I ate most of my snacks from my exam care package. I don't know why, but it's fine guys, it's fine. I'm actually starting my finals tomorrow. I'm not ready guys. Thank you guys so much for 700 subs. Like what? That's crazy. I love you guys so much, each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for the support. It's so lovely. I'm so grateful. Like if you guys wouldn't be able to measure the amount of love I have for you guys. Like each and every one of you, like yo guys, like, and this hoodie is hot and it's very hot today. I don't mind wearing a hoodie today, but I just like this hoodie. Yeah guys, I'll see you guys at the mall. I don't know which mall we're going to. We're gonna see what goes on, you know. Gonna see you guys at the mall. I love you guys so much. Guys, currently, like, why is gel so expensive? This tiny ass thing is 63 rand. Like, what? The person who said you pay less at Twix, babe, you are lying, because no way, this is not less. I got three items and this is more than 20 rand, my love. I think it smells good. Do you think it smells good? Let's don't spray. That lady is probably looking you. Alright, guys, I made it back home. I'm gonna give you guys like a clicks haul. So first and foremost, got this sheet face mask that I bought for my friend because it was her birthday like a while ago. I also got her this. I don't know why I got this big ass paper bag for these tiny ass things, but anyway. And then I got body spritzer. It smells really good. It smells amazing. Then there's Nivea face wash. I'm so bright. And gel because I'm about to unplug my braids and I'm gonna have to start styling my hair soon. And mids. Yeah, that's all I got. And then I went to ShopRite. Okay, and then I went to ShopRite and got snacks. I got a green curry and a black lace. These are so superior. And then I bought Mentos and I had tissue oil from Pep. Got this from Pep. Why is it so bright? That's not cute. Yes, thank you. We're also cooking short rib tonight. Do not trim your hair. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys later on when I start studying for tomorrow. I don't know.
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always wanted you, but it's late. You got something real, not bad. You won't forget when we start. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
I'm busy after school. I feel like
You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want
guys, wish me luck. I don't think I'm ready, but
you got something real, not
studying
bad.
very special content. I think I'll be good when it comes to English. It's just Afrikaans that I'm scared about. I'm scared, like I'm really scared for Afrikaans, yo. But it's okay. Anyways, guys, wish me luck. Hopefully I'm gonna get 100 out of 100.
Guys, we just wrote our English paper. Yo,
It was too good.
kill me now. Like,
We're about to write Afrikaans. It's going down. Don't know any formats. Don't know anything in Afrikaans.
type shit.
Writing it in English.
Type shit.
You're gonna mark it whether you like it or not.
Oh, yes. Because there's no way.
You're not gonna make me fail. Writing it in English. Oh, guys. You don't have a choice but to mark it. I'll write it in Spain.
Girl, those are going to be African niggas, not African.
Le angiro today sinyana na lo African sinyana kakanya yo ketla lo wasiye. Good morning, guys. I did my hair last night. I slicked it back last night because I knew I was gonna have time today because it's a lot. So I did my hair last night. So now I'm gonna reveal. Guys, you see, if this thing didn't slick, I'm gonna die. Like, if it didn't slick, guys, I don't know. There's a hump over here. If it didn't slick, guys, and I added got to be glue here. Okay. It slicked. It slicked. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing my hair. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm done. Guys, you see this gel? Son, doesn't work for edges. Guys, can I please get real, like gel recommendations? Got to be doesn't work. Soft and free doesn't work. Dark and lovely doesn't work. What's this brand? Perfect touch doesn't work. Yeah, I'm so annoyed. That's why I'm using soap again. And I wanted to stop using soap because summer soap turns white throughout the day. So I'm tired of looking ashy now. I'm tired. I'm just tired of looking ashy. It's ghetto as fuck. And its edges are slim now, you see. Its edges down, its edges up. It's not giving. Yeah, this is why I just don't do edges. Cause now I'm gonna waste like 15 minutes trying to make them look the same. Why is this one up? I think I took too much hair for this one. Way too much hair for this one. Let's push some hair back and start over. Okay? Start over. I'm writing English today, guys. Yo, I'm so scared because that first paper, yo, guys, like, I wasn't happy, like, so I don't know what to expect. You know, my aim is just 40 out of 80. If I can get like a 40, I mean, more than 40, yo, I'll be so happy because I think this paper is out of 80, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 80. It's 80 or 75, I don't know. But if I can get like between 80, 40 to 50, 60, yo, I'll be so happy. Like, you see, I don't want a lot. I just want like a decent mark. Like, I studied, guys. Malapropism is using the incorrect word instead of the right one because they sound the same for humorous effects. I'm wearing a skirt today. I don't remember when last I wore a skirt actually. I don't like skirts, especially to school. Like, for what? Why must I be showing off my legs? No, guys. I feel like skirts are so unnecessary, especially to school. Don't ask me why I'm putting so much. This thing doesn't last. But anyway, guys, ambiguity is when the meaning of the sentence is unclear. Get us late now. My transport is outside. My transport is literally outside. I have to go, guys. I don't know if I like my hair. Yo, guys. I don't know. I don't think I like it. But I have to go. I want to take my notes. Cram in the morning.
Paper, and it was okay. It wasn't that bad. Yo! And I was like, no, why is that? Why did they use Ntengena instead of this? Why did they use Pythosis instead of... Hey guys, I just wrote English paper 1. That paper was too good. Okay, you know what? Let me not say that, because if I say that, then my results might not come out looking too good. But I wrote okay. It was better than that last paper. Yo guys, that paper didn't like, yo, those topics like showed me flames, like. But yeah, what I'm trying to say is like this paper was like pretty neutral. I rated like a 5 out of 10. Yeah. And you know, like, writing exams is so stressful. This guy from department, he comes in and he like takes your ID and he's like, and he looks at your face and he's like, that shit is so stressful. And then that,
They need to
make sure that we as balela, nobody comes on your behalf to write you.
It's not like Konum will be that identical, like they're too paranoid. And then the examiner, I think I was left with like 5 questions, like 5 minutes left. I'm like, yo, chai. Yo, Ashim. Kistras nje. Kistras. Like, what the hell? Like, when you started doing that countdown, I was like, yo, chai. Like, I started shaking when he was doing that countdown of his. But anyway, we got Burago in 4 different flavors. Hot chicken. But they're all hot chicken. They're all hot chicken. Hot chicken. Hot chicken. Hot chicken. Hot chicken. What's the difference? What's the difference with these like noodles? I don't hot chicken. This one in Isabo, it says cheese, so you know you can tell that it's cheese. This one is 2 times spicy, and this one is carbonara. I'm gonna be making these. These are my favorite. Morning guys, not morning, afternoon or whatever, or night time. I'm attempting to pull an all-nighter because tomorrow I have a history exam and I don't know much. So I think I'm gonna be attempting to pull an all-nighter because I've never done this before. I don't pull all-nighters. And I'm not gonna mix it. I'm not gonna mix it with Bio Plus. Am I crazy? Anyways, guys, I hope I don't get heart palpitations. Somebody said this combo is deadly. So hopefully none of that happens. I'll keep on updating you guys and I'll see what time I sleep. Hopefully it's not later than 2. Anyways guys, I did my hair today. Straight back, yes, it's straight back. No one has time to be doing their hair summer. No one has time. I don't remember when last I vlogged. That's because like there's nothing to vlog. There's absolutely nothing to vlog. And I'm not gonna vlog me sitting at home the whole day, no guys. Yo guys, I look like my problems. Yo, put on mousse on these curls because they're getting tangled now. Yo, this is not cute. Today is Friday, the 1st of October. 1st of November, I mean, not the 1st of October. October has been a long time as month. Like, October, my babe, you were horrible. I'm so sorry. You were so horrible. Like, it wasn't giving. Anyways, guys, let me go to school. I'll see you guys after the exam.